Prof, simulan natin dito sa pag-alis ni Senator Amy Marcos mula doon sa alyansa. Paano ba natin to dapat i-interpret o basahin? Well, obviously, simulat sa poll naman hindi naman talaga siya 100% doon. Pero paano to makakaapekto sa kanya as a candidate?
Well, basically, no, she already decided to bolt out of the Alianza, and as a candidate, syempre, mawawala siya kahit paano, or mawawalan siya kahit paano ng malawak na makinarya na meron yung Alianza na kaya nilang ibigay. And of course, this is, I believe, definitely connected doon sa kanyang position that she cannot share the same platform with those people whom she believed betrayed the former president. And I think pagpapakita to na meron talaga siyang disposition, na meron talaga siyang stance regarding the matter. Although kung titignan naman natin ang impression, especially ng mga pro Duterte, I think medyo hindi rin maganda yung nare-resonate na to na messaging sa kanila, no, kasi parang she's playing too late the hero. And doon nga sa Senate hearing, na nakita natin ito yung mga sentimiento ng mga pro Duterte. But I believe that she is at least providing us a certain stance, and I think this is good. Yun nga lang, if she will be turning out to be independent, mawawala yung kayang ibigay sa kanya na makinarya ng alyansa. But then again, it also affords her greater flexibility pagdating doon sa kanyang kampanya, because wala siyang mga complexities, no, na maaring makuha niya from the coalition. And at the same time, maaring may mga pro-Duterte supporters pa rin naman that will be sympathetic doon sa kanyang naging decision.
Pero sabi mo kanina, Prof, too late the hero. So, ibig bang sabihin, mas nakikita natin na medyo lumiit ang chance niya ngayon after this announcement?
Well, basically, kung titignan natin, I think that the Duterte supporters were actually contemplating na sana mas maganda kung she made the pronouncements, at the height of the arrest, for instance, or a day after the arrest. But then again, she made her position several days after, no? So para bang siguro iniisip ng mga supporters ng dating pangulo na tumatawid or tumutungtong itong si Senator Amy Marcos sa isang sitwasyon na kung saan tinitimbang niya talaga, no, yung sentimiento ng taong bayan. And during that time, the sentiment of the people was quite evident, no, na maraming tao ang medyo hindi sang-ayon doon sa nangyari, especially during that time, and maaring ito yung nagpunsod sa kanya to bolt away from the alyansa. Although tama yung nabanggit nyo kanina, no, na from the get-go medyo hilaw naman talaga si Senator Amy Marcos doon sa kanyang pagsama dito sa alyansa. And on the part of the alyansa, medyo may konting dagok din ito para sa kanila, no, kasi yung pinagmamalaki ng ating pangulo that they have a complete 12-man lineup, ngayon 11 na lang, no? At yung sa kabila naman, they have 10. So wala sila ngayong masasabi, no, at this point in time, that they have a complete lineup that they're fielding in the 2025 elections.
Mm-hmm.